B.Sc Mathematics in Education. Here are your 100 level courses. First semester 100 level. And the credit units for each course. And then the fees. This is how the fees are calculated. 2 unit course is 2,000. Even 1 unit course is 2,000 for the registration, and then exam registration fee. Add them together, you get this total here, which compounded to 25,500, added to 36,000. The first compulsory fee. There are compulsory fees you pay every semester. The first one is 36,000, but from second semester 100 level onwards until you graduate, it becomes 18,000. So 3 units cost is 2,500. 4 units, 5 units cost is 3,000. However, if there are projects, the cost will change. It's not like in industrial training that is sometimes either 6 units or even 3 units. It will be 10,000. So those are special cases though. They are not ordinary courses you register. Okay. Then put all of them together. Your fee for the first semester is 61,500. Then we go to second semester 100 level. These are your courses. You have 15 of 15, which means you are supposed to pass all of them. You are expected to pass all, not some. And the fees were calculated using the same method. You can say 3 units 2,005. No, that's 2 units 2,000. And then exam fee added to it. Sum them up, you'll be getting 39,500. You can see the second compulsory fee is now 18,000. The course registration fee is the payment for course materials. That's why I wrote it course material fee. It's known as registration fee generally, but that's what you are paying for, course materials. For this course, you pay for course material, you pay for exam for that course, and they amount to either 3,000 or 35 usually for each course. So this is a 200 level first semester, and you can see for 100 level or regular student, you must have done 107, just 107 and 100 level, unless you forgot it. If you then here, you will have to add it. Then those that came into direct entry, you must do GST 107. You must add it. If it could not be accommodated in this particular semester, 200 level first semester, then you will have to move it forward to the next semester or any other future semester where there could be unused credit units or some leftover or empty credit units where you can add them, because we have a total of 24 per semester. You can see the previous semester was 15. The next semester might be 10 or 18 or 21. So you add it. These are just 107 is 2 units. So for regular students, you're expected to pass 23 out of all the courses here. All the courses available, you're expected to pass 23 units. Direct entry, so plus you're supposed to pass 25, which includes this just 107. Okay, then your fee would be 47,500. But if you came into direct entry, you will have to add 18,000 because your first compulsory fee will still be 36. Then the 200 level second semester, these are your courses, and you are expected to pass 22 of the 24 units here. So if you fail one of the courses here, you may not you may not have to retake the course. You may not have to retake it, you may just move forward. However, in the end, you will become a graduate. The fees are calculated the same way, and you have 50,000 as your fee for 200 level second semester. Then 300 level first semester, here are your fees for your courses, which include teaching practice. You can see it's 3 units, but it's 10,000. It's considered a project, and there's no fee for exam because it's not examinable. You don't write exam for it. Okay. Put these fees together, you have 51,500. Then 300 level second semester, you have these courses, so you're expected to pass all of them anyway, and your fees is to 44,000. 400 level first semester, you have these courses which you are expected to pass, including a second teaching practice, and your fee is 47,500. And your final semester, you have these courses here, which includes your research project of 15,000. Fees put together, no fees for exam fees for projects, as I've said earlier. Put this together, you have 48,000 as your fee. So if you have registered all these courses, that's total credits carried, are the ones you have registered. There might be more courses in the portal, more courses to pick from. So assuming you've registered all of this, you'll be having 176 credit units as the ones you have carried, you have registered. But the question is, how many of them did you pass? Total credits required for you to graduate here is 170. So if you have made it up to 170, your certificates will be given to you. But if you came in through direct entry 130, we would guarantee that 130 will earn you your certificate.